Hi friends, how are you doing? This is Abilibits once again, and it's Monday. We are going to start over. So if you're new into our channel, make sure that you subscribe, and if you find our video helpful, if you find an education content into our video, make sure that you give us a like and share with your friend, because that is what encourages us to do so and so. Let's start once again. So by starting today, I'm going to start with this Forex Factory. This is a platform that gives us news. We catch all the news, the fundamental of all the currencies with this platform. It's currently the Forex Factory. You can go and search it in the Google. Over there, we can set it, have this filter. Into the filter, we have this, we select only the high impact news and the whole day, because we need to catch all the whole day so that we can decide whether to ignore the day so that we can trade in the whole day. So by my thought, I have marked this only this high impact news and this holiday news, and I select all the pair, I mean all the currencies that found here in the Forex Factory. And after selecting all, then you have to click apply. So now it's Monday, and Monday we don't have any news. It's open Monday. We are going to trade it openly because it don't have any news. But Tuesday we have this kind of news. We have euro and we have the pound and USD. And Wednesday we have Audi and this New Zealand dollar and so on. So guys, you can install this application or you can download it from Google Chrome. You can download it as a web extension and it can help you to catch those news whenever you trade. So I'm going to start with this pair today. I'm going to start with DXY. I always start with DXY. So this is the overall structure for DXY in in a 4-hour time frame. It's a 4-hour time frame, and this is a high. Then you have this as our low, and here we are in this movement. This is last high. Then we have this low. Then this is a high. This is a break here. Then we have this high here. As you see here, we have this. This was a high, then this is low, then high. So we expect it will drop up to this point here or up to this point here, then we will go up. This is my outlook on this DXY. And one can ask why I'm always starting with the DXY. DXY is a dollar index, and it gives us the go ahead on all all currencies that are pairing the USD. So that's why I'm starting with the DXY, because USD is a major currency. So we have to start with the major currency so that we can catch the overall structure of all pairs so that we can trade it in a good direction. So that is the main reason that make me always to start with the DXY. So now, this was the last move, the last week. I predicted that it will buy from this point here, and it bought. So now, we are going to focus with this movement here. From this place here up to this point here. We are going to focus on this movement. And again, you're going to focus into this movement. So we have, let me delete this. I have to delete this. Sorry. So now here, as you can see, DXY is showing a structure like it's going to drop down, and the last movement, let's see, take a deep look at this point here. This was our previous high. Now the price managed to break the previous high. Delete this. And I'm going to delete these two, delete even this, delete. So now, as you can see here, we have this movement here. This was a low, this is a high, then this is a low, then we have a new high here. So now we are going to focus into this movement from here up to this point here. That is the current range of DXY. So we have this break of market structure, and this is the previous low, this low, and this is the high. So this price will trade inside this high and this low. So whenever the price print any structure inside this structure, this low and this high, then we are going to plan our trade accordingly. Now we see this DXY is dropping because we had this here, and we had this break of market structure. Once again, here, the break of market structure. After the break, then the price retraced it to this point here, and now it's dropping. So we expect it will drop until it tap this point. This point here, the point that I expected DXY will drop to this point. So now we are going to plan our trade from this point here because it is the lowest point, So this low, whenever the price manages to break this low, then we are going to change our mind from the bullish to go more bearish. Whenever the price break here, then we are going to retrace up to this point, maybe around here or around here, then we will drop more down. But currently, we should look for buying opportunity whenever the price approaches this level here. So now, as long as we are planning to buy from this point, and the price is at this point here, so we should plan a short trade up to this point here, because the price have printed the break of market structure here, and we have the shift in market structure over here. Sorry, we have a shift in market structure over this point here. So now from this point, from this shift in market structure, the price have retraced it up to this point here, and it took all liquidities. So it has to clear all the sell side, I mean buy sell liquidities. We see here we have the buy sell liquidity, we have the buy sell liquidity here, and the last liquidity point is this one. This is the last liquidity point, and it's where we expect the price will drop to before it go more bullish. So we should plan a short trade, which will be the short term up to this point here, and we should plan a long trade from this point here. By my thought, I think we have to ignore the short trade because this market, this DXY, it seems like it's a bullish. So it can trick you. It can trick you. This short trade, it's a trick. The price may trick you, and it will never, maybe whenever the price want to trick you, it always create a structure like it's going to drop, and it's going to cheat. After that trick, it's going to cheat. It must cheat. So I mostly recommend to ignore the movement, to ignore the opportunity that go against the trend. So here we have this opportunity, which is to short up to this point here. But I mostly recommend to ignore the short trend because it is going against the trend. Now you can see the trend, it's uptrend, and the price can buy from this point here. It can buy from this point and go up. But by my thought, I expect it will drop from that point here up to this level. You should ignore this opportunity because it can cheat you. The price can cheat you. So this is the overall outlook of DXY and it can give you the go ahead and the pair like Audi USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Euro Audi, I mean Euro USD, and all other currencies that are pairing USD. Now, if you find an idea on this dollar index, then you can print it in the comment section, because the comment section is always open. And I think you have to support us by clicking the like button and share with your friend.